Guys, I found this mystery fridge in a random building. Let's check it out.
Now, who would have known that this fridge store has teleported me to a whole different world? Now, this place got some yummiest and unique food items on their menu. Like, just look at this tote bag drink, it was just so refreshing. Now, this eye-catching bird drink, you must try it. Now they do have a dual menu option serving healthy and tasty items. Wanna know the best part? They have live music in their ambience. You'll find it so hard to leave and go back to your home. They also have some fun activities to make your day. Now this is Lara located in Himayat Nagar. Even share this reel and check out description for more details. Bye bye.